Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today we're going to go over the GE Profile Indoor-Outdoor Smoker. Have it indoors, we have it all set up. We're going to put some pellets in, show you how it operates, okay? First step here, we want to open the chute here. That's where the pellets come. Profile, they give you the pellets you need already, a premium blend. So we just fill up this hopper, close the door here, put this off to the side. Next, we're going to turn it on, really get into the configuration. So turn it on just like this. It'll have the select mode, and then we use the jog dial that's highlighted right here. So we can go from anything from pork butts, brisket, chicken. They have salmon in here, and then you can customize it and keep it warm. Today, though, we are going to go right with wings. So we hit the start button right here, and it's really going to tell us what's happening when it highlights. So our smoker temp's going to be at 300, our cook time is going to be 2 hours, and it's going to go with a level 4 smoke, okay? So now it's really going to get into the preheat mode, and then we'll open it up, show you kind of the configuration here. Really, we have the drip pan on the bottom, we have our wings that are going to go on this rack, but first and foremost, let's make sure this comes up to preheat, and then we can really get big. All right, we're gonna go right to the wing setting right here. We're going to hit start. Okay, it'll actually show us here. Next, we'll hit start. It'll ask us to add the water. So you open your water container right here. We have the water already in, okay? So we'll seal that up, make sure that's in, and now we'll hit start again, okay? Add the pellets. It'll just keep going through the prompts. Now we're preheating, okay? So once it comes up to preheat, we'll pop the wings in and we'll monitor the progress. All right, everybody, we're up to preheat. I can feel it. So we're gonna pop these wings in, be about 2 hours, okay? Let's open it up. I got these on trays. I got them rubbed already. So we'll put them right on this rack right here. Push, make sure they're all in. Now put the second one on. Right down here. All right. Looks great already. Close the door. We'll hit start. Ready to rock and roll. We're in smoking. Perfect. See you in 2 hours. All right, everybody, it's at the end of the 2 hour mark. Our wings are finished. Best part about the GE Profile Smoker is look up here. It says keeping warm, so it is holding it to the 150-degree mark. So let's open it up. Let's check, see what we got here. Oh, man, does that smell great. Look at these wings right now. So look at the color on them. Ooh, look at the juice on them. Here's a great-looking smoked wing. I think they're perfect. This is nice and easy. We can hold them warm. We can take them out now, so. That's a wrap on indoor smoked wings from the GE Profile Smoker.